Today I'm here to share with you guys this amazing wallet. I want us to unbox it and then talk about it, what is inside, what should you expect, everything about the world's first NFT hardware wallet. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nkirote and this is Nkirote, rebranded, also known as ONR. Guys, I am back yet again with another video about crypto, but this time we're talking about NFTs. And if you are new to this channel, you do not know what NFTs are, I want to plug you to our NFT playlist. We actually have a couple of videos there. You're going to learn how that world is all about, what NFTs are, non-fungible tokens, and basically everything to do with NFTs, okay? So in today's video we're going to be talking about a particular company, a particular product. I'm excited. It's called SecuX Nifty. But before I show you guys what I'm about to talk about, I want you to subscribe to this channel. If you are not subscribed, please do. I want you to give this video a thumbs up and feel free to comment down below something. Let's talk about NFTs, guys. NFTs blew up, especially in 2021. NFTs blew up, guys. Like, we were, I was just seeing millions of dollars being, the craze was high. And I mean, right now, if I'm being honest, the psyche for NFTs has significantly dropped. People aren't, talking so much about NFTs, mostly because also the crypto markets are kind of down. So the psyche for NFTs has also kind of plummeted. But let me tell you, if you are eyeing an NFT, if you are eyeing to invest in a particular non-fungible token, this is the time. I actually got an NFT for myself during that craze. Honestly speaking, I did not know what to invest in because, in my opinion, one of the best NFTs are NFTs to do with sports. I, on the other hand, honestly, I'm not so into sports like that. So I was just buying NFTs now based on whatever I liked, and it was very difficult to find what I liked, but I did find something, which is my Black Panther NFT. I'm going to hold my NFT till November 11th, 2022, probably list it when the movie goes live, and then we'll see if I'll be able to make a profit. I'm calling it a killing in my head, but a profit because I have bought it in May, and if I hold it till November, that's a really good period of time. I might be able either to list it early. I don't know, guys. I don't know. And let me tell you guys, I've been holding on to that NFT till today because I don't know, I was planning to sell it last year in November, but the Black Panther movie also wasn't that good for me. I felt like it was a bit underwhelming, so I never sold my NFT. So I'm still holding on to my NFT, and hopefully one day it might be worth more. But that's not what we're here today. Today we're here to talk about this, guys. So this is SecuX Nifty. It is actually the world's first NFT hardware wallet. Did you hear me? Did you hear me? Let me tell you again. SecuX Nifty is the world's, it's actually written here down, guys, the world's first NFT hardware wallet. So again, if you're not new on this channel, I've talked about hardware wallets, particularly another company. I have a whole playlist about it, but if you're to watch that playlist, you will understand what a hardware wallet is, or what a wallet is in the first place, and I will link videos in my description below for you to understand what a wallet is, what a hardware wallet is, and an NFT hardware wallet. So SecuX Nifty actually sent me this wallet sometime last year, but guys, I was slightly overwhelmed with everything in my life. But today I'm here to share with you guys this amazing wallet. I want us to unbox it and then talk about it, what is inside, what should you expect, everything about the world's first NFT hardware wallet. If you are looking to purchase your first NFT hardware wallet, definitely use our affiliate link down below. You actually do get a 15 15% off. Definitely guys, check the link down below in our description or on the comment section and purchase your first NFT hardware wallet. I'll be doing an entire series on this wallet, so today's video is going to be just a lot about unboxing, and then stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to show you how I loaded my NFT into the hardware wallet as well. I mean, if you have NFTs guys, it's time for you to store your NFTs in a solid and secure hardware wallet. So without further ado, I want us to now talk about this wallet. And first things first guys, it comes looking like this. Okay, this is the box. The box is quite pretty actually. I really like their packaging. And then you just need to like open. First things first guys, when you're opening your box or your packaging, please ensure to check the tamper proof sticker or the tamper resistant label. I'm going to show you guys a screenshot on the screen right now. When it comes, it looks all black. I love the fact that they've just like highlighted everything for you here. See the get started option. 4 stages for you to set up your wallet. Step 1, check your package and ensure the tamper-proof stickers are intact. There are 4 items in the packaging. There's the Nifty Hardware wallet, the aluminum seed, and the recovery sheets and the charging cable. And then the second thing you need to do is charge your wallet, and at least do it for 2 hours. The third step is downloading the app. They've already put for you a QR code. And then finally, manage your NFTs. Once you look on the side, you're going to see a really beautiful silver ribbon. I don't know if they change colors, but mine is silver. And all you need to do is just pull out the NFT hardware wallet slowly. And there you have it. The wallet is there sitting pretty like, baby, I'm ready, you know. So I really like it a lot. You open now the entire packaging, and then you're gonna see an envelope. Okay, this envelope has contacts inside, and now that's where everything else is. It has the aluminum seed, it has the 2 recovery sheets as well, where you're gonna store your private keys. Again guys, go to my video linked in the description, learn about private keys and public keys if you're not aware. And then finally in the box you're gonna see the charging cable. So that is pretty much it. The recovery sheets are 2, so you're able to write your 24 keyword phrases on 2 of them. You can easily store one at home or at your workplace. And I like the important section because they tell you how you're meant to store them and where you're not meant to store them. So kindly read that. And then the aluminum one, you would need to get like something to like hammer in the words. So you would probably, I guess, take a nail or something that's very hard because it's literally like metal. But the beauty of aluminum recovery sheet or seed is it is waterproof, it is fireproof as compared to the paper. If the paper gets water, you might not see some words, but with the aluminum one, well, you're sorted. So that is everything that is inside the wallet. Pretty beautiful packaging. I genuinely love it so much. Let us move to the next part of the video. Guys, there was actually another sticker here. It was this one, and as you guys can see, I ripped it out because I had to charge it. So also ensure that when you get your NFT wallet, that this sticker doesn't have those lines, but it's more of like a perfect sticker. So I'm going to show you guys a screenshot. So that is one of the tamper-proof stickers that they are talking about. But this is how the wallet looks. Very sleek, very comfortable. It feels like a phone, literally guys, and it's not so tiny either. So it's quite big, quite useful, and then the screen is big. That's something I noticed. For you to actually see your NFTs, this is a pretty decent screen in my opinion, like that. And then you just charge your wallet, and then once you do, so you're meant to charge your wallet for at least 2 hours, and I did. And you guys can see there, welcome, safeguard your NFTs with Nifty by SecuX. So we're gonna set up the device just now. First things first, you can see set up device. So I'm gonna click that, download the app, which I already did. So I'm gonna say okay. I got the app, and then you can see create a personal PIN number of 4 to 8 digits. So I'm going to do just that now. Then I'll click next. So guys, I'm gonna set up my PIN. Let me do that. I'm going to just click confirm, and you can see it saying success. Please return to Nifty app for instructions. Set up your Nifty wallet. So I'm gonna say let's go. So you can see get ready before you start. Plan 30 minutes of your time. Grab a pen. Guys, I have my pen, one of the papers for me to record it. And then they've said choose a private and quiet environment with a secured network. I'm gonna tell them that I'm ready. Okay, so turn on Nifty wallet by pressing the power button, which I did. And then they're saying return to SecuX app and follow the instruction to set up PIN code, which I've done. And then I've already chosen my PIN. So you can see that they're saying, guys, your PIN code is the first layer of defense to prevent unwanted access to your device and private key. So it must be 4 to 8 digits long. And then I've already created my PIN. I'm gonna say next, then set up as a new wallet. I'm gonna say okay. You can see here that your recovery seed consists of 24 words. I understand that guys, please read this part and don't jump. I understand that if I lose this recovery seed, I will not be able to access my digital assets in the case of my Nifty wallet being stolen, damaged, or lost. Guys, please take a hold of that. So I'm gonna click next, and then recovery sheet. Here's my recovery sheet and pen, and then write down all the words using permanent ink in the correct order. So I'm going to say next because I'm about to write the words. That's pretty much it. Store it on your computer, and you should never trust anyone, even SecuX themselves. So we're gonna say done. And now this is where you're going to pair your Nifty wallet to your phone using Bluetooth, okay? So right now I'm going to go to my Nifty wallet, and I'm going to actually create the 24-word phrase. To say create a new wallet. So you can see here generate seed. Do not make a digital copy of your recovery seed and never share, save, or upload it online. So I'm gonna say next step, and already it has showed me, guys, 1 to 4. So these are my first 4 words, and then I'm going to proceed to write them down on my recovery sheet with my pen, and then I'll be back to pair it and show you guys how this looks. So guys, writing my keyword phrase. Select your recovery words in the correct order to confirm your keyword phrase. So I'm gonna again do this part, and then I'll come back and show you guys. I will switch on my Bluetooth. I'm going to switch on my Bluetooth, and then I am going to actually try pair it with the Nifty. You can see that automatically it's showing up Nifty 3875, and even up here Nifty 3875. So I'm going to do pairing, and then you can see there's a code that's come up. So I'm going to just type the code 639661. Okay, and that is it. We have paired here. If you click this, it means the Bluetooth is off, and if you click it, it means you want the Bluetooth on. So please ensure that before you're sending out NFTs into the hardware wallet, that you have actually paired the Bluetooth so that you're able to store your NFTs safely. I want to just give you guys a small tour of the Nifty. First things first, there's my favorite. So you can actually favorite some of your NFTs and place them here. And you guys can see so far there's 0 NFTs. 2, you can receive an NFT. So currently it supports 3 blockchains. However, I got an email, I think yesterday, that they're now supporting Solana. So yeah, so far you can receive NFTs from Ethereum, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain. and then there's the settings, so you can change the pin, the first pin that I put earlier. You can lock time, so basically inactivity of this, so in case it goes for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes or 60 minutes, you can lock it for inactivity. So I'm gonna put mine for 5 minutes because I mean 5 minutes is a long time already. And then you can seed check, so again, in case you've lost your seed phrases, you can come back again and just confirm your seed phrases. And then the about, so you can see that this is the version that I'm currently on, and I believe if I update it I'll get the Solana access, and then you can reset. So please don't click this if you're not sure about resetting your wallet. So I'm gonna click cancel. Pretty simple, pretty easy. What I'm going to do is I'll be sending my NFT from the Binance Smart Chain blockchain.